Hello to everyone and welcome back on my YouTube channel. It has been 2 months since my last video and I thought that this is the right moment to come back here on YouTube and it's time to reactivate my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to all the nice comments that I received on my last video, the one that I published 2 months ago. I really enjoyed to read them and I'm so happy that behind this camera there are a lot of people that really enjoy my content and most importantly that find useful the video that I made. In these 3 years on YouTube I've put a lot of efforts in this channel, trying always to create valuable content, always trying to put useful informations, and I think that it's going to be a huge loss if I just let die this channel. In these 3 years the RC community is growing. I will still race in this RC category because I love it, and I think that there are still many stories to tell and to share. Because of that, I decided to keep going. I will start to publish again videos here on my channel, but in a different way. In these 3 years, I was always publishing a video each Friday. For me, it's not sustainable, as I already said. So I will still publish a video on Friday, but it's not going to be anymore each Friday, but let's say 1 per month, twice per month. It depends by my time, it depends by the will that I will have to film and to edit something, so I will take it easy. But for sure, each time that I will publish something is going to be something, let's say, useful for you and also for me to keep it as a memory. In these 2 months, a lot has happened. I took part in 4 races, 4 events where I went without camera, without nothing. I just took some photos and I only focused on racing, and I can say that I had some great results. I took part in 2 events in Czech Republic and 2 events here in Poland. In Czech Republic, I finished in a race in 5th place overall. Until the last stage I was 4th. It was an event on grass, on very tight stages, and I was driving in a very good way, and I just missed a bit in order to fight for the podium. And in the other event on tarmac we were almost 60 people, and in few stages I was able to finish in 10th place overall. So as you know, Czech Republic is a very demanding place to race in RC rally because they are extremely competitive. So these 2 results that I got made me really happy. And here in Poland I took a 3rd place, losing the 2nd place on the last stage. And in another event I was able to finish 3rd. It was an event in a forest, and the first 2 stages were terrible for me because it was gravel and the rocks were getting stuck in the real wheels, and I had the idea to, let's say, build mud flaps on the chassis. I will put some photos how I did it, and thanks by that the real wheels were, let's say, protected by the small rocks, and I was able to regain what I've lost in the first 2 stages, finishing 3rd. Because of these 2 good results that I got here in the SLR championship in Poland, I, let's say, saved my championship, and I'm fighting against my friend Patrick, and I still have some chance to win this championship. And next week we're going to have the last race, and I'm going to film it as I always did through these years. So talking about what is going to happen in the next RC rally season, I don't think that I will film all the races, but I will film the most interesting ones. And also, talking about the next season, I'm not going to use anymore the body of the Lancia Delta Integrale, but here I already decided what to use. I don't know if you can recognize this model. This is a Ford Focus first series, the one from the 90s, the one that Colin McRae was racing on it. I decided to make this switch because the Lancia Delta from Tamiya is a bit narrow. This one is 200 millimeters wide, and it has nice proportions because it's long as the Lancia Delta from Tamiya, so it's pretty short, but on the other side is very large. Yes, we have also the Lancia Delta from Killer Body, which is 200 millimeters wide, but the issue is that it's very long. So let's say in narrow stages I feel like I'm driving a school bus, and choosing the short HPI Ford Focus, I think that it's a better idea. I'm back. I hope you're doing well. Next Friday I will publish a video, which is the last one that I was able to film before my laptop died. And then just check my YouTube channel on Friday, because maybe there's going to be a video. So on Friday you can expect a video, but not each week. As always, guys, a reminder to leave a like, subscribe, and maybe if you're still watching this video, just share around the news that I'm back on YouTube, and a lot of new content is coming in the upcoming weeks, months. Okay, I think that's all. Ciao!